Hi students, I am Prakash, Academic Advisor, Masterminds. If you have written CMA final examinations in January 2021 exam attempt, then this video is meant for you. First of all, is your result got withheld? First thing, what might be the reasons for withholding your result by CMA Institute? Most probably you might have indulged in some sort of unfair practice, like looking at a mobile phone, watching a mobile phone while you're writing exam in online mode. So you might have left the camera, while the exam is going on, or you might have made an attempt to open a book while the examination is being conducted. So due to any of these reasons, your result might have been put in withheld by CMA Institute. Now the question is, when will CMA Institute declare the result of withheld students? It may take 2 months or 3 months also. It may take any amount of time. Don't be in a wrong notion that very soon they are going to clear this issue. No, it's a high level decision which requires people of high level designation to come together, discuss and resolve the issue. Generally such kind of issues will take a lot of time. So can you assume that you have qualified in the exams? No, there is no such guarantee. So your result has been withheld doesn't mean that you have qualified. No. Sometimes even if you have got disqualified, your result might have been put in withheld. So shall you start applying for exams of next attempt? Yes, you have to. Don't wait for the CMA Institute to declare the result of your January attempt. You first start applying for exams of next attempt. You need to send a mail to CMA Institute requesting them to release your result. The mail ID is given in the video. Look at that and start sending a mail. If you need any guidance on the same, then send a mail to the mail ID of our staff. I am giving the mail ID here. Don't forget to mention your mobile number in the mail so that our staff can contact you in case of need. So will the next attempt be in online mode or physical mode? Most probably it will be in physical mode. Will exams of next attempt be conducted in normal time or will there be postponed? Most probably they may not get postponed. Even if they get postponed, they may get postponed for few number of days, like 10 to 15 days only. It will not be months together. If let us assume CMA Institute has decided to conduct the exams of next attempt also in online mode, then the important thing you need to keep in mind is start practicing typing on your computer. Arrange a computer, start practicing typing. There will be some typing tutor like softwares available in the market. Download that software, start practicing typing. So as you will be able to type fastly, you will be able to finish off the exam quickly. In other words, how many marks will you be able to attempt in the public exam will purely depend on how fastly you are able to type on a computer. Please don't write exams on mobile phones and tabs. Use only laptop. So part 1, if you have qualified one group in CMA final, so introspect the reasons for your failure, apply for certified copies. What to do if you are unable to come out of failure? Don't worry, I have already recorded a video in which I have explained how to come out of the failure. Don't forget, failure is very common thing. So success and failure should be treated equally in case of professional courses. And frankly speaking, this is not failure, this is just delayed success, postponement of your success. I have made a video on how to come out of failure. I am leaving the link of that video in cards section. Look at the top right corner, you will be able to find the link. Click the link and watch the video. So take admission for study hours and revision exams for the remaining group. Whatever the group is left out, you please take admission to our study hours and revision exams batches. So in this particular service, we are going to make you sit for the whole day and we will conduct examinations twice a week. We will even evaluate those exam papers and will return them back to you. So this service is available for CMA final students of both groups or group 1 or group 2. Frankly speaking, there is only one schedule, that is both group schedule. For the students of both groups, we will be conducting 2 exams a week. For the students of single group, we will be conducting only 1 exam. That means both group students will be writing 2 exams a week. Single group students will be writing only 1 exam a week. So this service is available at all our branches. As far as Hyderabad branch is concerned, please make a call to our branch principals and then take a decision. So if you can't attend study hours physically, then we have a service called Masterminds Test Series. In case of Masterminds Test Series, you can stay at your home, you can prepare from your home, but you can just write the examinations that we are going to conduct. And remember, as a part of revision exams, we will even conduct 1 set of pre-final exams. So this service of revision exams alone is called Masterminds Test Series. Unlike other test series service available in the market, we will evaluate your papers and we will send you a report called valuation report. So with that, you can understand what are the mistakes done by you and you can rectify the same. Personally, I don't recommend anyone to continue studies at home. Even if you have got failed in the recent exams, it's only because of home preparation. So come here, physically attend the study hours and appear for the revision exams. If you are not interested to come physically, then go for MMTS service. So shall we need to worry about COVID? No, don't need to. You need not worry about COVID, Nana. So the people of your age group will not get attacked with COVID. Even if you get attacked with corona, you will not be having any symptoms. You will not get fever, you will not get any cold. You does not even know that you got attacked with corona. So if you undergo a test, then only you will be able to know that you got attacked with corona. So students of your age group will not get affected with corona unless you have some lungs related issues like asthma. Is the hostel facility available? Yes, it is available in Guntur for limited number of students, both for boys and girls. For any reason, if we shut down the campuses, what about our fee? Don't worry, we have made all the necessary arrangements and policy decisions with respect to your fees. For any reason, if we are forced to shut down the campuses due to government regulations, then your fee will also be taken care of and all the details will be informed to you at the time of inquiry. So subject-wise coaching is also available for all the subjects which are common in CA final and CMA final. So I think you are aware that majority of the syllabus will be same for CA and CMA final, and for all subjects, even subject-wise coaching is also available. If you are interested to take coaching for 1 or 2 selective subjects, then you can take. So are there any chances of shutting down of campuses in AP? So recently, our Education Minister, Honorable Education Minister Sri Adimulapu Suresh Garu has clearly stated that Andhra Pradesh government has no intention to shut down the educational institutions. The major reason shown by him is students who are poor are not having enough access to digital resources. As a result, they are deprived of quality education. And let me say my frank opinion, online education is not at all suitable for professional courses of CA, CMA. It might be suitable for engineering or school education, but it is not at all suitable for our education. Same is the case with medical education also. Online education will not be suitable for medical courses. Will campuses be reopened in Telangana? Yes, most probably very soon government will pass on orders to open the campuses. Don't worry. So if you have not qualified any of the groups, first of all, don't worry. You have to plan plan properly. And first of all, since you have not qualified any of the groups, the available time now is not at all sufficient to appear for both the groups. Please appear for only one group. Aim for only one group. Then only you can see a positive result in the June attempt. So even in case of both groups, you can come and join for study hours and revision exams. If you are not interested to attend physically due to the various reasons just now we have discussed, then you can appear for our revision exam service, that is Masterminds test series. So subject wise coaching is also available for the subjects which are common for CA and CMA final students. You can directly install our app and you can purchase. So please do subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon so if we upload any useful video, you will get notification. Please install our Android app with the title Masterminds Online Classes. Give your credentials and search for CMA Final. All the courses related to CMA Final will be visible. Whatever the course you want, you can purchase directly by paying the amount and you can start watching the same. If you are using iOS platform like Apple iPhone or iPad, then so install an app called Class Plus, where you need to enter our organization code. Our organization code is MZ GUN, GUN GUN. So immediately after writing exams in June 2021, you take admission for study hours and revision exams for December 2021 and we generally call it as pre-results batches. So don't be overconfident. If you have already qualified one group, then join for remaining group. Don't wait for results. So this is one golden principle everybody has to follow in CA, CMA courses. We should not wait for results. We should always plan immediately after writing our exams. So we should not be overconfident that we will be able to qualify. Always come with a negative thinking that you will get failed and join for study hours and revision exams immediately after writing exams. Let us assume after results you got qualified in one group. Then you can shift to another group in case of post-results batches. If you want to take admission in Guntur or any of our branches, then the details are given in the description of this video. So please make call to those numbers. So these are the mobile numbers of any of our branches. If you are interested to take admission in any of these branches, you can make call to these numbers and our team will love to do service to you. So that's all, my dear students. Hope you liked this video. So please remember all the points stated in this video and follow the same strictly. All the best.